Hermitcrab race. Mine is killing it.
Oh, okay, wait, mine's woken up. Oh, no. It hasn't woken up yet.
Alright, buddy. I know you're thinking, but yeah, there you go.
Oh, man.
Get out. Get out. There you go.
It's making a move. Oh, like, this one hasn't even moved.
Holy shit, this guy's the fucking man over here. Right from the middle, too. Come on, buddy.
Oh, this guy woke up.
Oh, God.
I think it's his son.
Woo! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Look at this guy. This motherfucker right here.
Mine didn't even move.
He needs a
yet.
Tonya. Here's a Tonya for the victor.
I'm getting a new Hermitcrab.
That guy's a fucking champion.
Mine were so bad.
He's still going too. Don't wear yourself out. You got another race.
Okay.
I'm not leaving this guy. I'm keeping this one.
Well, all of them are so dormant.